వెల్కమ్ టు కేవీఎస్ గురు. ఇవాళ ఏపీఎంఎఫ్ వారు ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్లో మనకు ఎగ్జామ్ నిర్వహించారు. దీన్ని జి భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి గారు క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఏపీఎంఎఫ్ నెల్లూరు. ఇక మొదటి ప్రశ్న చూసినట్లయితే, విచ్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఏపీ 21, 18, 15 is 0. Okay, let the nth term is 0. A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 0. That means here a is 21 plus n minus 1 into d equals to, we know the formula, a2 minus a1, so 18 minus 21, so that equals to minus 3 equals to 0. 21 minus 3n plus 3 equals to 0. 24 minus 3n equals to 0. Minus 3n equals to minus 24. Minus minus will get cancelled. N is equals to 24 by 3, that equals to 8. Okay. Next one. Sum of first n terms of AP is given by SN. Okay, n padala mottam n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, direct formula. And also we can use n by 2 into a plus l when we know the last term and number of terms. A plus n minus 1 into d is a nth term of AP. A into r to power of n minus 1 is nth term of GP, and this is not at all a formula. Next problem. The middlemost term of AP minus 11, minus 7, minus 3 and so on to 49. Okay. Middle term కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయో కనుక్కోవాలి ఫస్ట్. సో let an is equals to 49. It is AP, so nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 49. Here a is minus 11 plus n minus 1 into d equals to a2 minus a1, that equals to minus 7 minus of minus 11, that equals to minus 7 plus 11, that equals to 4 equals to 49. Minus 11 plus 4n minus 4 equals to 49. Minus 15 plus 4n equals to 49. 4n is equals to 49 plus 15. So 4n is equals to 64. So n is equals to 64 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Sorry, 4 ones are 4. 2 is remaining 24. 4 6 are 24. N equals to 16. So there are totally 16 terms are there. The middle terms are 16 by 2 and 8 and 9 are the middle terms. Now we have to find 8th term of AP and 9th term of AP. A8 is equals to A plus 70, that equals to minus 11 plus 7 into 4, that equals to minus 11 plus 28. So the answer is minus 11 plus 28, that means 17, and A9 is equals to A8 plus D. So 17 plus 4, that equals to 21. 17 and 21 are the middle terms. Okay. Next problem. A boy agrees to work at the rate of 1 rupee on the first day, 2 rupees on the second day, 4 rupees on third day. So 1, 2, 4 and 8, 16 from February 1st to 5th. So we have to add all these money. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. that equals to 31. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 5 minus 1 is 31. So 31 is the correct answer. Next, match the following. Given A is the first term in GP and common ratio is 2, and we have to find A5. An equals to A into odd power of n minus 1. So A into odd power of 5 minus 1. A into R is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. That equals to 2 power 4 is 16 into A, 16A. So for this, 16A is the correct answer. Next, given R is the common ratio and the common ratio is negative. Let us take an example. First term is minus 2 and common ratio is minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. 6 into minus 3 is minus 18 and so on. This is the GP. So every term is not a negative terms. One is positive and one is negative. So alternatively terms will come. So it is a false statement. So it is no. D equals to minus 4, n equals to 8 and an equals to 4 in AP. Now we have to find A. So A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 4. So A plus n is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. A plus 7D equals to 4. A plus 7 into D is minus 4 equals to 4. That equals to A minus 28 equals to 4. That equals to A equals to 32. So 32 is the correct answer. Next one. In APs have same common difference. Common difference is same, and the first term and one of the first term of first progression is minus 1. Second progression is minus 8. Now we have to find the common difference of fourth terms. So nth term is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A4 is equals to a plus 3d. So in first progression, a4 is equals to a equals to minus 1. So a4 is equals to minus 1 plus 3d. In second progression, a4 is equals to minus 8 plus 3d. So we have to difference of fourth terms. So minus 1 plus 3d minus of minus 8 plus 3d. If we simplify this, minus 1 plus 3d minus of minus is plus 8 minus 3d. So 7 is the correct answer for this. Next problem. The first positive term in AP minus 11, minus 8, minus 5 and so on. Okay, this is AP. The common difference is plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is also minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So 1 is the first positive number. Sum of first 20 odd natural numbers. Modati 20 base sahaja sankhyalu mottam. The formula of sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. So 20 square equals to 400. And also we have to learn sum of first n even natural numbers. Modati n sahaja sankhyaల మొత్తం n into n plus 1. అలాగే sum of first n natural numbers. మొదటి n సహజ సంఖ్యల మొత్తం. ఇది సరి సహజ సంఖ్యల మొత్తం, ఇది సహజ సంఖ్యల మొత్తం. n natural numbers equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, that's it. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మనం నేర్చుకోవాలి. In AP, common difference is 5 and we have to find difference of 18th term and 13th term. D is equals to 5. So A18 minus A13 is equals to, this is AP, so A plus N minus 1 into D is the nth term. So A18 equals to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17, A plus 17D minus of A plus 12D. So A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. Minus A plus A will be gets cancelled. 17D minus 12D is 5D. So 5 into D is 5. So 5 into 5. So 25 is the correct answer. Next problem. The famous mathematician associated with the first sum of first 100 natural numbers is Gauss. The father of geometry is Euclid, and Bauduin's law is also famous as Pythagoras law. Next, in AP, find the 30th term. So AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on. Here, first term A equals to 10. Common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. So 7 minus 10, that equals to minus 3. Now we have to find 30th term. A plus N minus 1 into D is the nth term formula. So A plus 30 minus 1 is 29D. Here A is 10 plus 29 into D is minus 3. So 10 minus 3 9s are 27. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is minus 77. Okay. Next, find the fourth term of AP. A equals to minus 1.25 and common difference D is equals to minus 0.25. Now we have to find A4 is equals to A plus 3D or A plus N minus 1D. Here N equals to 3, A plus 3D. So minus 1.25 plus N minus 1 is into N minus 1 is 3 into minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 plus into minus 0.25 into 3 is 0.75. So minus 1.25 minus 0.75 is minus 2.00. So that is equals to minus 2. Minus 2 is the correct answer. Next. The sum of first 16 terms AP whose first term and third term are 5. Here A equals to 5 and third term is 15. A plus 2D equals to 15. 5 plus 2 into D equals to 15. So 2D is equals to 10 and D is equals to 5. Here A equal to 5 and D equal to 5. Now we have to find sum of first 16 terms. Yes, N is equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So yes, 16 is equals to 16 by 2 into 2 into A is 5 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 into D is 5. So 8 into 10 plus 75, 8 into 85. So 8 5 is 40, 8 8 is 64, 64 plus 4 is 680. So 680 is the correct answer. Next one. Sum of first 10 multiples of 7 is 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus and so on to 70. These are the multiples of 7 and it is clear that it is in AP. So in the AP, sum of first n terms is n by 2 into A plus L because we know the number of terms and the last term. So S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 7 plus 70. So Sn is equals to 5 into 77. 7 5 is 35 and 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 38. So 385 is the correct answer. Next problem. Which of the following are APs? So first one, let us find A2 minus A1. That equals to 5 by 2 minus 2. That equals to 5 minus 4 by 2. That equal to 1 by 2. Next, A3 minus A2. 3 minus 5 by 2. 6 minus 5, that equals to 1, 1 by 2. In the same way, A4 minus A3 equals to 1 by 2. So this is AP because common difference is constant. Next one, let us find A2 minus A1. That equals to root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Why? Because root 8 equals to 4 into root 2. Root 4 is 2, so 2 root 2 minus root 2 equals to root 2. A3 minus A2 equals to root 18 minus root 8. Root 8 can be written as root 9 into 2. So root 9 is 3. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. That equals to root 2. Next, A4 minus A3. Root 32 minus 18. That equals to root 16 into 2. So root 16 is 4. So it can be written as 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. That equals to root 2. So here the common difference is also constant. So both are AP. So both are in AP. Rendu AP lo unnai samadhanam avutundi. Pillalu, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.